Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enter a promo code on Vans. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, I'm going to head on over to vans.com here. I'm in Australia, so it's going to be .au. And now from here, I'm just going to put in a product into my cart. So I'm going to pick on these old school shoes, sneakers. So I want a size 11, I'm going to click on add to cart. And now from here, just going to check out my cart. And now I'm going to go ahead and click on checkout. And now I need to log in. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to create a guest account, continue as a guest. And now from here at the checkout section, I'm going to fill in all of this information here as checking out as a guest. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now. I'm just going to do a pickup, either or. Click find a store, because basically we just need to head on over to the payment information. So you continue to payment. And now when we're on the payment section, under payment it'll say enter promo code and apply gift card. So if you go ahead and click on enter promo code, put in the promo code here, click on apply. Same for apply gift card, put the gift card number in, pin and click apply, and then click on place order. I hope this video helped.